Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I just wanted to go over this Apple TV remote tutorial. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have an Apple TV remote and are wondering what every button does. Now there's not a lot of buttons, guys, but let's first start out from the top to bottom fashion. So here we have the power button, which is going to be able to turn on or off your TV. Over here is actually a speaker, and then with that speaker or microphone, so it's actually a microphone. If you press and hold this button, this is going to allow you to talk to your Apple TV remote and then dictate it to the TV. So this is actually a microphone. Next, we have the touch-enabled click pad. So you could actually scroll by swiping here, or you can use the arrow icons here, but you could also select by tapping in the center icon as well. Over here, we have a back button. So just a simple back button to navigate and go backwards between apps and such. Over here, we have the TV home button, okay? But the thing with this TV home button is that you can actually change this button so that it takes you to different places. So right now, I have it set that it takes me to the TV screen, but you could also set it to take you to that Apple TV app. So you can adjust this to the settings. Here we have the pause and play button right over here. And then we have our volume control right over here. So increase the volume and decrease the volume. And then we have the mute button right over here. Now on the back side, we just have the Apple logo. Here we have this sensor, so you always want to make sure ideally that this isn't being blocked. And then on the bottom here, we have a lightning cable port to actually charge this remote. Now I only probably have to charge my Apple TV remote probably like once a month. So the battery life on it is actually pretty good. But that is essentially this Apple TV remote tutorial, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.